What's blending, y'all? Blendz at you with another video. This video gonna be another unboxing. Shout out to VGR for sending out. New set of clippers. That's what the back look like. Front look like. We're gonna unbox this. See what's popping in it. We'll just leave that on there right now. The case seems pretty durable. Now, gonna put it right there. We're going to look at it together. All right, looks like user manual. Let you know like if something happened throughout the shipment. Charging docks with USB-C. Looks like we have grips, changeable grips. That's cool. We got guards from, you got your trimmer guards right there. You got your 1 millimeter all the way to 3 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 7. So 1, 3, 5, and 7. And then it looks like we have 1/16 all the way to 6. And then we got left ear and right ear tape guards. For the sense of saving time, we're just gonna put those in right there. Ooh. So I wasn't 100% sure about the cosmetics of it, but pretty heavy duty. Like, I mean, they're light, but pretty solid. Smooth click. I would say it's right in between free flowing and the click mechanism. Don't sound too bad. Now, looks like it goes from like 7,000 RPMs to about 9,000 RPMs. So, one click, sound like that. One more, it goes to 8,000 RPMs. And a nice battery display too. And then in the center, goes up to 9,000. It's pretty powerful for, yep, those are extra grips you can change out because, boom. I might throw those on, man, just, I don't know, man. Maybe, maybe not. But that's what it looks like in the dock. And then we have the trimmer. I like these. They're a little bit heavier than the wall detailers, but from what I see and hear on other videos, it's a little bit more powerful. Same display, right? I want to say these just do 7,000 to 8,000 RPMs. 7,000, 8,000. Still super quiet. I'm surprised on how quiet they are for how strong the motor is. Those screws. Pretty zero gap for fresh out the box. Probably gonna mess around with them and zero gap them a little more. But yeah, man, that's what you get in the VGR Clippers. I've been eyeing these, man. There was these ones and another pair that I wanted to look at. As usual, Clipper oil, brush, and USB-C port. Plug, my bad. And there you go. So, shout out VGR for the care package. Much appreciated. Much obliged. You know, for the price, for what you get, really can't beat it. If you're a student barber that wants to get, you know, what seems to be professional grade for a fraction of the price, go to VGR, hit them up. I'll post a link in the video. If you just want to have an extra travel pair of clippers, doesn't hurt to have them. Good price. You can make your money back within 1 or 2 haircuts, depending on what you charge. So, go get you some.